Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, who told you that you can only find affordable properties in southern Italy? That is a complete lie, because guess what? We found a ton of them in Torre di Siena, which is one of the prettiest places on earth. 10 minutes from Montepulciano, 10 minutes from Pienza. They've got so much shopping and wonderfulness there, right in the heart of Tuscany. Check out this one, 2 beds, 1 bath, all renovated. Beautiful terrace which allows you a view of the Torre di Siena Historic Center. It's a jewel, and you're really going to want to jump on this one, guys. Hey, before I do anything, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of really important information coming up.